Hey there, this is the beer program, and I'm your host. So just a little head up on this. So next week, the artist stocking will be the cochlear implant operation that I'm getting in this year. So I'm going to be filming a bunch of the beer program in advance because I might not be able to have a brew beer after the operation, and I want to keep everybody entertained, I guess, for the YouTube channel, and to keep my stuff going. And today we're going to talk about a beer that's been in collab, not one, not two, but three breweries, from two breweries and a brew pub, I guess. Sawdust City, that's right, a place to stand, Ontario Pilsner. Now they also did this with the Great Lake Brewery and the GRIFFIN GASTROPUB. Now they did this for the Canada 150th anniversary, and they also did everything Ontario, 100% Ontario grown ingredient. So they did a classic Pilsner style, that's what they're telling you. So let's see, so they used the malt from the GRIFFIN at Barn Owl from Belleville, Ontario, the hop from the BQA hop farm in Eden, Ontario, and of course, give a place to stand and a place to grow and call this land Ontario. I hope I did that right. So I'm really looking forward to this. So this is, I believe, it's 35 IBU and it's 5%. And I actually got this at the LCBO. Out of LCBO and Guelph, they were kind of depressed to tea. It's up in Clare and Gorgon in Guelph. And I was really excited to do that. Like, I really best to have them there. So it's right by where I work. So anyway, let's get into the fat boy. Oh yeah. Okay. There's a little pour there. Oops. Holy moly. There we go. Now that, I would say that's a classic Pilsner right there. Look at that big old head. That's a big white head. Yeah, and now it's a clary, a little hay, not too much hay, but you can tell too behind it, the classic yellow color that you get in your, a Pilsner all over. That's the classic thing right there. Got that grainy, that Pilsner smell, a little bit malty there. Here. That's a good for Pilsner that I expected, actually. It's very refreshing, it's very quick, and it's weird because when you start grain cutting, it's almost like a Pilsner, obviously, but there's that little tropical tip to it. Gotta be from the hop. That's actually really nice. That's actually a really nice Pilsner, to be honest with you. So, the place to stand Ontario, Pilsner, Sawdust City, the celebration of the 150. Look at that beautiful can. Yeah, that is just pretty nice. So, I gotta tell you right now, though, I don't know what's going on here. Just a little drastic part thing going on here. But anyway, I want to say that this beer right here, I highly recommend it. If you're a fan of Pilsner with a little bit tropical kick, go find it. And it's actually out in the LCBO, so if you find it, drop a few because you're gonna like it. It's absolutely fantastic, and I highly recommend it. So cheers, guys.